you doing? What you doing? Pearl Bird. Honey. Honey. Oh my goodness. I see a set of very cute underfluffies, you know. What are you doing? He says, Mom, I really love crackers, Mom, and I found some. I found a secret stash, Mom, of crackers, Mom, and I love crackers, Mom, and I found some, and I'm very excited about it, Mom. Okay, I'm gonna go right on in. I'll go right in, Mom. Pearl Bird. Honey. Well, I know you're very happy. And of course, you know what they say. Happy parrot, happy mommy, huh? A happy birdie, a happy mommy.